Girl Bella.
Hi babes, it's me Shannon B for Brown Girl Bella, back to bring you more lips, lashes, and luxury. And do I have something luxe for you today? You knew I was gonna bring it, and bring it I shall. This is the new Pat McGrath Rose Decadence palette. I got that. I got the Divinyls Lip Balm, and baby, I'm ready to go. So let's get it into gear and dive in. It's Pat McGrath time. Once again, Mother Pat has given us the Mothership Rose Decadence palette. 6 shades, 6 pans, beautifully rose tones. You know, it's right up my alley. The shelf life is 12 months, and it was made in the United States of America. So here is what the palette looks like. As I said, there are 6 shades, and we'll do a quick swatch of them on my arm. The first row has Pink Champagne. The next shade is called Peach Dust. And the third shade is called Fuchsia Flame. The next row has Hedonistic Rose. Scandal Lust, and last but not least, Golden Honey. So there are all 6 of the shades on my arm, and I am so excited. Although I will tell you, I'm not really that enthused about another gold in here. I do love the pairing of this gold in this palette, because you can do a multitude of different looks using this palette, and each one really does complement the gold that's in here. So I don't much mind the gold being in this palette, and it's a gold that really looks very flattering to not only brown skin and darker skin girls, but also for those who are on the lighter shade of the spectrum. I think this color would be really nice for them as well. And this palette overall will really take you from the summer into that fall season, because these 2 tones here I think are beautiful for the fall. That just screams beautiful autumn leaves to me. So we're gonna try to do a couple of different looks using this palette. I'm going to also demonstrate all 6 of her Divinyls. Yes, that's right. I bought all 6. I did not buy the Astral shades because only one was different than what I currently have. The other 2 are dupes of what I already have. So I decided not to get any of the shimmers, but to stick with the balms. And I love the packaging in these balms as well, and we'll get into that as well too. Stay tuned. Let's get into look number 1. So we're gonna dive into look number 1. I've already primed my eyes, and let's start with Peach Dusk, which is the 2nd shade on the first row. And we're gonna toss that right into the crease. As always, Mother's mattes are so easy to blend. So it's making short work of what I need to do to blend that color into my eye. I'm going to take the same brush, wiping off whatever was left of Peach Dusk, and I'm going to go into Hedonistic Rose, which is the first shade on the second row, and I'm going to deepen up the crease with that color. Oh, I love that rose tone. All right, using a flat definer brush, I'm going to go into Golden Sky, and I'm going to put that right on that lid. I'm going to pack that gold on there so it pops a little bit more. And you can also use a little bit of glitter glue or wet your brush if you want that impact to be even stronger. Then we're going to take that Hedonistic Rose color again with that same flat brush. We're going to run that along the bottom lower lash line. And we're going to connect it to what we did at the top. And then I'm going to go back to that Peach Dusk and bring it up a little higher to soften that Hedonistic Rose out a little bit. Followed by, of course, Pat McGrath's Dark Star Mascara. All right, so now that we have our face done, we're gonna start playing with the lippies. So as I mentioned, I have all 6 of the lippies. So the first one up is called Belle Amour. This is the packaging. And it comes in this beautiful new rose gold and gold packaging. And it looks so cute in the new style for the bullet. And here is what Belle Amour looks on the lips. I don't think you even need a lip liner with these. Oh my God, so pigmented and so creamy to put on. You're going to love this. But this is Belle Amour. The next one is also in the Rose family. This one is called Boudoir Rose. Here is what the color looks like in the bullet. And here's what it looks like on the lips. Boudoir Rose. This next one is called Temptress. Temptress. For those who wanted something a little sheer, we also have Nude Venus. There's Nude Venus. Now I would definitely use this with a lip liner for me, but if you're lighter than I am, you might get away without using a liner. And definitely use a liner if you are darker than me. But I can probably get away with it without a liner, but I prefer using a liner with it. But this is Nude Venus. Getting a little bolder with these next two. This one is called Love Interest. Love Interest. The last one is called Electric Lotus. Electric Lotus. So I decided to use the last one, which was Electric Lotus, and I used it with a little Suburbia lip liner by Mother Pat as well for this final look. I love this whole collection. I do. I love this whole collection. I love the packaging, which again, you had me at pink packaging, but the colors in here are perfect for me. They're just what I love for those last bits of summer going into the fall. I can use this until it's almost winter time and it will look beautiful, and then I can use it again in the springtime as well. I love these colors. They're right up my alley, and I can think of a dozen combinations that I can use for this palette alone. Then we have the Divinyls, which I hope I'm saying it correct, but I think I am. Divinyls. Love the packaging, love how creamy they are. I think moving forward, I would like to use them with a lip liner because it really does help define the lips even more when I use a lip liner, especially for my lips. I am loving all of the shades. There's some that I'm not as crazy about, but I think all of them will kind of warm up to me as I go along. I don't have any of these colors in my repertoire, so I'm really happy with the choices that I made to get all 6 of them and bring them to you. I'm sure you will find 1 or 2 in this collection that you will love. If you're not a beauty reviewer, I would not suggest getting all 6 of these. I think getting 1, maybe 2 would be enough. There's plenty to choose from, so you don't need to get them all, but I wanted to bring them to you so that you can have a selection and know which ones would be most suitable for your skin tone. Like I said, there's 6 here, so there's something for everyone. What I would suggest, if you love pinks and you don't want to get the big mothership Divine Rose 1 or 2, which are still available as of the recording date of this video, try getting your hands on this one. It's less money. It's not $125. Since it's only 6-pan, it's only $65. But again, these are tones that you can use right now, way up until the winter time. And then even still, if you want to pop these on for the holidays, I think these shimmer shades in here, the gold and this one, would be perfect for the holiday season. I would even use this color here for the holidays. That would be beautiful as well. So this can last you a long while. The shelf life, as I mentioned before, is 12 months. So you have a year to use this up. But I have other palettes from Mother Pat that I've had for years without any problems. So if you'd like to spend your money on a palette, maybe treat yourself, this I think would be well worth your money. I will leave the link for everything down in the description box below. I hope you really enjoyed this tutorial. I certainly enjoyed bringing it to you. As always, I love bringing Mother Pat products to you guys. I think she is wonderful, and to me, she can do no wrong. So another hit from Mother Pat. Thank you so much for watching. If you're not subscribed, now's the time. Hit that subscribe button and don't forget to tap that notification bell to be notified each and every time I upload. Until next time, you've been Bellified. Take care, and I'll see you back here soon.